Hello, this is Ryan with BG Tire and Auto. We are a full-service repair shop specializing in tires and light mechanical work. We also keep an assortment of good, dependable used vehicles on our lot. Here at BG Tire and Auto, we pride ourselves on providing fast, friendly, and affordable service. We're located off Highway 61 in Bowling Green, Missouri, just past the Circle Drive on the left. Come check us out and experience the BG difference. In this video, we go over a 2011 Ford Ranger. It's got a 2.3 liter 4-cylinder engine in it, a 5-speed automatic, 2-door, rear-wheel drive. It has 153,971 miles on it.